Kilo 8, Yankee Foxtrot.
Yankee Foxtrot. Roger, what's the name?
The name is Scott here, over.
I'm sorry, try again.
The name is Scott. It's here, Charlie Oscar Tango.
Roger, Scott. Now, gosh, boy, you talk pretty quick. I mean, sound like you're on the way to a fire, Roger.
I'm sorry. I used to be a police officer, so I'm used to talking quickly, so I'll try to slow it down a little bit, over.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And let's see, what's your location, sir?
My location is in Poland, Michigan, or southwest Poland, Michigan, over.
Roger, and what radio is that?
I'm running the ICOM 7300, about 45 watts right now, over.
Roger. Now, gosh, 45 watts. You know, that radio was designed for 100 watts. And sometimes, I don't know for sure, but sometimes you can get yourself in more difficulty by running a radio at less than full out, you know. Even more of a problem than running the radio full out. So I would suggest you know, that 7300 works just fine at 100 watts, you know, provided that you know, we're not violating any code of operation, Roger.
Roger. Right now I'm not running into my amplifier, so that's why I have it at 45 watts. I usually have it just set at that, and then when I turn my amp on, then I'm at 400, over.
Roger. Well, you know, 7300 is, that's what you're listening to. I think that's one of the greatest radios to come down the pike in a long time. It's just a beautiful radio. I really fell in love with the sound of that transmitter. It just is so clean, you know, that it's just hard to beat. And the thing is that there are a couple of things that you need to check out just to be sure everything is copacetic. And the first thing is that transmit bandwidth. You know, what we're looking for there, the TBW, is we're looking for, it's called wide, 100 to 2900, and that allows your transmitter audio to be all that it can be as far as the top end, and then gives you just a slice of daylight before you're into somebody else's conversation. So it's really a great setting to be in. Are you familiar with that?
A little bit, if I remember how to get there.
Yes, sir. Well, I would go there, and you know, the thing is, even though it could be right, it could be wrong. The only way you know is by actually going there and looking at it, you know. 100 to 2900.
Okay, roger.
You could take a note on that, you know. If you wouldn't want to do it at the moment, just that is menu, settings, transmit, sideband, and it's right in that area. Transmit bandwidth.
Okay, roger. I'm looking at it now.
Roger, and it was in that 100 to 2900 transfer bandwidth?
Yep, roger. 100 to 2900.
Excellent. So that gives you the ability for that transmitter, top end, to be all that it can be, and then by wrapping up at 29, it gives you just a slice of daylight before you're into somebody else's conversation. So that's the great thing about that 100 to 2900 transmit bandwidth. From there, we would move to the compressor on at a 3. Compression on at a 3. It's a token amount, but and if you exceed 3, you start to pump between words, which doesn't do anybody any good. So, I mean, we've looked at this, and compressor on at a 3 is best, Roger.
Roger. I'm running a 2 now. Stand by here. This is a 3. This is a 3 now, over.
Yes, sir. That's beautiful. Then we move to your ALC meter. As you look at your ALC meter and you got your hand on the transmit mic control level, and as you say the word audio, spoken just as you would speak any other word in a QSO. Don't jump on it. Just say it like you would say any other word in a QSO, and adjust your mic level until your ALC meter is running in the sweet spot of 7 or 2/3. So it's and then adjust your mic level until your 7 or 2/3 on your ALC meter sweet spot. Roger?
Roger, Roger. Audio. 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 Audio.
And the beautiful thing about that word is that it's a steady tone. So if you can hold that, then you can very easily just take your mic gain control and adjust your ALC meter to where it's in that sweet spot of 7 or 2/3.
That's about 49% mic gain, over.
Roger, Roger. The important thing is the ALC meter. The mic gain control, the important thing is the mic gain control effect on your ALC meter. The ALC meter is the device that will tell you when you're on target as far as your modulation control. So as you look at the ALC meter, what you want to do is adjust your mic level until your ALC meter is in that sweet spot of 7 or 2/3.
That's about 2/3, about a 7 there on the. That's about 2/3, about a 7 there on the ALC meter, over.
Yes, sir, exactly correct. That's beautiful. Now, do you know where your equalizer? Well, let's see. What do they call that on the 7300? Your tone control board. Of course. Every manufacturer has their own little quippy words for things. Instead of equalizer, it's the tone control board. Do you are familiar with that and where it is?
Do you are familiar with that and where it is?
Roger, Roger. I believe so. It's with the TX base and TX triple. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. The ICOM 7300 has a 2-band EQ, which I think is just beautiful, because the idea is that modern equalizers do a balance between the top and the mid-range and the bottom and the mid-range. So much so that ICOM said, we want to, keep that mid-range without somebody being able to adjust it, so we can get balance good. So like I say, the 7300 didn't even bother putting a mid-range control in their EQ. So what we normally would do would be to say that we want that treble EQ +3 from where it is. Treble EQ +3 from where it is at the moment, Roger?
Treble EQ +3 from where it is at the moment, Roger?
Oh, Roger, Roger. I'm at -1 right now, so I need to be a +3, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I would come up to a +3 and let's listen to it.
Yes, sir. I would come up to a +3 and let's listen to it.
Okay, testing Kilo 8, Yankee Foxtrot. That is a +3 on the treble.
Roger, Roger. Okay, so and then on that bass control, what are you reading on your bass control?
On that bass control, what are you reading on your bass control?
The bass control right now is a +1, over.
Okay, I would pull that down to flat, ±0, flat, -1 from where it is, Roger.
-0, flat, -1 from where it is, Roger.
Roger, Roger. That is at 0 now, over.
Roger, Roger. So I would go now back to my my ALC meter to double check my level. Anytime that you make a modification to your audio chain, you should always go back and double check your modulation level, because it's like you know, it's like a card game. As you move something here, it's going to affect something over here. So you know, we did some modifications to the EQ, so we want to go back to that ALC meter again and say and adjust your mic level until your ALC meter is running 7 2/3. Roger.
Until your ALC meter is running 7 2/3. Roger.
Roger, Roger. Audio. That's about 7 to 10 on the meter.
Yes, sir. So tell me about your antenna system so that I might be able to listen to you, Roger. About 10 seconds.
So that I might be able to listen to you, Roger. About 10 seconds.
Okay, Roger, Roger. Kilo 8, Yankee Foxtrot. I'm running a Alpha Delta EXDD 8040 inverted V, 45 feet up in the air. Over.
Yes, sir. Sounds really good. I think you'll enjoy your recording. If you go to YouTube, do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, followed by the word logbook, will take you to this recording. It'll be cut number 1 in a series of 3700, and I'll have it uploaded to YouTube by noon tomorrow. Roger.
And I'll have it uploaded to YouTube by noon tomorrow. Roger.
Roger, Roger. I definitely appreciate there. Over.
Roger, Roger. So 73, sir, thanks for dropping by. And if you get a chance, join us next Friday, Roger.
Hey, sir, thanks for dropping by. If you get a chance, join us next Friday, Roger.
Roger, Roger. I appreciate that. Kilo 8, Yankee Foxtrot 73.
Roger, one other thing, though. The mic that you're using, is that the supplied hand mic for the 7300?
The mic that you're using, is that the supplied hand mic for the 7300?
Negative. It's a Heil headset, over.
Roger, Roger. Sounds good, sir. Sounds good. 73.
Roger. Sounds good, sir. Sounds good. 73.
73, thank you, sir.
Roger. This is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.